A member of the Andrew Holness-led administration is this evening raising concern about misinformation and COVID. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is taking aim at pastors who he laments are part of powerful groups of Jamaicans misusing their platforms. His comments come in the wake of late Pastor Kevin Smith urging his congregants against taking the COVID-19 vaccine. In addition to the ritualistic style murders in his church, Pastor Kevin Smith was also firmly against his members taking COVID-19 vaccines. He's not alone. Other men of the cloth are preaching similar messages, but it is all misinformation, according to Justice Minister Delroy Chuck.
I'm so disappointed, really very depressed, that we have so much misinformation that proliferates. And what is very sad, people you expect to have some good sense is showing that they have been gullible.
Mr. Chuck argued that some pastors are contributing to vaccine hesitancy. He used an example of the Prime Minister having a friendly banter that was recorded, distorted, and now being circulated.
I don't know who, but it was coming from a pastor. Have now distorted that banter, where it looks like she and the Prime Minister are arguing, and give the impression that the Prime Minister has mandated that everybody must get the vaccine. And you have heard him said, every opportunity he's not mandating the vaccine. And having taken that out of context, or put in words to show that, now referring to the Prime Minister for allegedly mandating vaccine as a murderer, and saying that he and all of the people live in Parliament must be bombed. This is coming allegedly from a pastor and a pulpit.
Such sentiments, he argued, negatively impact vaccine take-up. His comments come amidst news that another 150,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine are set to expire today, Sunday, October 31.
And that is why we have not yet reached 15% of persons to be vaccinated. Across the world, more than 60% of the people have been vaccinated. And then in that same video clip I got, it is being promoted that is a chip that is going into the body from Bill Gates. And as Bill Gates want to use Microsoft to control the world. And this is the sort of misinformation that goes in.
And so, he's urging informed and well-thinking Jamaicans to take a stand.
Because if we don't control this pandemic in short order, it could the virus could mutate again. And we are shifting money from security, from roads, from housing, from justice to the health sector because we are trying to control it.